Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Auth0 for Node.js single-page apps, complete guide step-by-step clearly. To begin, ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. Next, create a new directory for your project and navigate into it. Run the command to initialize a new Node.js project using npm init. Install Express as your web framework by running npm install express. You also need to install Auth0 dependencies with the command npm install express jwt-jwksrsa. Now, create an index.js file in your project directory. Require the necessary modules in your index.js file, including Express, ExpressJWT, and jwksrsa. Set up your Express application by creating an instance of it. Define a port number for your application, such as 3000. Configure Auth0 credentials by creating a constants file or directly within your index.js. Specify your Auth0 domain and audience in your configuration. Use ExpressJWT to protect your API routes, setting it to look for the JWT in the authorization header. Create a middleware function to handle authorization errors. Implement your routes in the main application, ensuring to protect them with your middleware. Set your app to listen on the specified port, logging a message to the console. Now, move on to setting up the front end of your single-page application. In a new folder, set up a React or Angular application using Create React App or another suitable CLI. Install the Auth0 SDK for your frontend by running the appropriate command. After installation, create a configuration file to store your Auth0 domain and client ID. Set up authentication using Auth0 hooks or authentication context provided by the SDK. Create a login button that triggers the Auth0 login process. Ensure to handle authentication callbacks by configuring them in your application. Test your setup by running both the front-end and back-end servers. Verify that you can log in and that your API routes are secured. Make any necessary adjustments based on testing results and documentation. Finally, clean up your code and ensure everything is well commented for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.